All right, so Adam Shamseen here and back again. Here is the biggest problem that I see many people, do. They think they want to become the best YouTuber or the most famous influencer online. And in order to do that, you have to grind. You have to actually put out content every single day, 6 days a week or 5 days a week. I disagree with that. I mean, if people are doing it, that's okay. They are looking for followers and they do whatever it takes to get attention. I'm not fighting for attention here. Simple as that. Like I said in my previous video, I do 3 videos a week. That's it. And I take that video. If I need to edit out a little bit because sometimes I say something wrong in English because my language is fucked up sometimes, which is fine. People like me because of my accent. That's the string. It became the string. It was an obstacle for me. Now it's working for my advantage. And I wish, this is the best I could do as far as language. You cannot get anything better. So I don't do much editing. And I don't time myself. I don't care about timing. Okay? If you can engage people and you are putting out something interesting and you can engage them, they will stay for hours. Jason Fladlin, if you've heard of him, he's one of the best webinar presenters. His webinars are 3 hours sometimes and 4 hours. People watch them all the way to the end. And I have worked with Jason before. Yes. They tell you, hey, you need to have a short video. You cannot exceed 15 minutes. You cannot exceed 5 minutes. You cannot exceed, bullshit. People are watching my presentation. It's an hour presentation. They watch it from start to finish. And I track that. Because why? It's engaging. All right? If you got a great idea, get that video out. Okay? Once I get this video out, I will take it and I will make a short out of it and cut couple sections from it and repurpose those on your TikTok and Instagram. Instagram and Facebook are the same anyway, so they will be repurposed automatically there. Now we got all the same video that you shot on all channels. That's it. If you can do it 2 to 3 times a week, you are king. Subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment, ask me a question, give me an idea what you want to learn about marketing, coaching online, how to succeed online, how to drive traffic, how to do this, how to do that, ask me that questions. Maybe I have an idea that I have not recorded. I'm doing it myself for my business. Okay. I provide a lot of done for you, amazing funnels to help you with your business. Watch my masterclass, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Actually, I shot another video here that talks more about offers. Okay. Make sure to watch it. Take care and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.